Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 3, the fourth lesson, using data slicers with a pivot table. Going to use the slicers. So with the slicers workbook open, select any cell inside the pivot table to activate the pivot tools tabs in the ribbon. So we're going to click in, doesn't matter where. In the pivot table fields task pane, drag the payment type field from the rows to the columns. So rows to columns. Drag the sales type to the rows area. Sales type, drag that down to the rows. Click the count of amount paid drop down. So we're going to click this button right here. Value field settings. Select sum and then click OK. Mark that as answered. On the pivot table Analyze tab in the filter group, click Insert Slicer. So we have to click up here on the Analyze tab up here, and we are going to click Insert Slicer. Select the check boxes for date, customer number, sale type, and payment type. To turn those on, and then click OK. Move the slicers to an empty area to the right of the pivot table. So let's move these over here. I don't think it matters exactly how you do them. Click individual buttons of your choice in any of the slicers and observe the effects on the pivot table. So if you click a button, you can see that it does things. Press and hold Control key to select or deselect more than one button. Let me undo. So you see that I selected several things. Click the Clear Filter button in the upper right hand corner of any slicer to select all the values. So it's talking about this button right here. That clears the filter, and now everything is selected again. Mark that as answered. Submit. And this completes using data slicers with a pivot table.